Hello everyone, make a ponytail, take small section of the hairs and then roll it like this. After rolling it, fix it as shown in the video. Take very small sections and roll them and fix them one by one on the top of the hairs. Join the hairs like this and fix it and it's ready. Next, we have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides in small sections and join them and make the plaits like this. Follow the same step on the other side like this. Fix the hairs properly. Now join the hairs and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Divide the hairs into two parts, divide it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix them into each other and make a bow on the top. Now take the hairs in small sections and rotate it. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this, fix it properly and then it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take small section of the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then roll it one by one as shown in the video. Repeat the process as shown in the video. After you are rotating the hairs, we will join it and then fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take small sections from each side and fix them after folding it like this. Now take all the hairs on the right side and make the plaits on it. Now fold it and fix it on the upper side on the alternative side like this using the hairpins and it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on the hairs like this. After making the plaits, we will fold it upward and fix it on the alternative side like this. Fold it and fix it properly as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Divide it from the between and then rotate it from the between like this. Now fold it upward and rotate the hairs like this. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits. Now fold it and fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After joining the hairs, we will repeat the process. Now divide the hairs into two parts, divide it from the between and then rotate it like this. After rotating it, fix the hairs together and then fold it upward, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fix the hairs and make a bow on the top. Now make the plaits on the very small section on the top and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs and fix it one by one, rotate the hairs and it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After that, you have to take the hairs and repeat the process like this. Now join all the hairs, divide it and then rotate the hairs from the between after dividing it. Now fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs and tie them into two parts. Now rotate the hairs on the top as shown in the video. Now take the hairs from the sides like this and then make the plaits on it on both the sections. Now join it on the back and then rotate it inside the hairs like this and rotate it and it's ready. Next, make a high ponytail and fix this clip or hair accessory on the hairs like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts and then take each strands and fix it like this. Fix it one by one and fix it very carefully as we are showing you. Fix it as we are doing in this video. Fix it one by one, put these strands and then roll it. After rolling the hairs, fix it till the end in the same manner as we are doing in this video. Watch the technique and it's ready.